have you ever wanted your iPhone photos to look twice as cool, like by using a reflection? Like, you get it, like twice, like the objects in there twice as cool. Okay, well, today I'm going to show you how to use even the shallowest, tiniest little puddle to make the biggest impact in your photos and to use the puddle to make a really cool reflection. Hi, I'm Maggie Kirkland, and today I'm going to show you how to have really dynamic and powerful images by using reflections. In this tutorial, I'm going to be using my iPhone Pro 11. You can also use an iPhone 10 in this type of a lesson. It'd be helpful if you had the extra lenses on the back to kind of play around with the perspective of your photo. You can also use older versions of smartphones as well. You don't have to have those newer versions. What you need for this tutorial is a puddle. It can be really shallow. The one I'm using is just about that deep, maybe about a ½ an inch deep. You need a subject that you love, and you might need treats for this subject as well. In order to maximize the effect of using a reflection in your photos, you need your subject to be really close to the edge of the reflective object. So in this example, Ruby's a little too far away from the puddle, whereas in this one, she's gotten way closer to the reflective puddle, and this is going to be way better in the photo. The closer you can get your subject to the reflective surface, the less you're going to see anything else except for your subject and their reflection. Make sure you get your camera really close to the ground and right up next to the reflective surface. The closer your camera is to this reflective surface, the more the frame is going to fill up with the reflection and the less you're going to see of anything else. And that's how you make your photos look so much more awesome by using reflections. If you love free tutorials like this, please follow me on Instagram at Maggie Kirkland Photo or on YouTube at Photography Hacker. You can also get more free materials just like this on my website, maggiekirkland.com.